Hey guys, and welcome to today's training video. Today we're going to be looking at the three types of forex analysis. Ahead of today's class, we're going to be having a summary. Good. If you're watching our video for the first time, hit the subscribe button, like our video, and turn your notification post on so you don't miss any of our videos ever again. Let's get started. The first on the list is the fundamental analysis. This is the kind of analysis that is based off of news release or microeconomic news release. In other words, some traders, they don't trade the market until they hear particular news for the day or for the week. Why? Because the news either determines good economy or bad economy. So, and good economy simply means more value to the currency of the news that was being released, and bad economy simply means depreciating value to the currency that was released. Good. So most traders, this is how they trade the forex financial market. And examples of this news release is the gross domestic product, the interest rates, the non-farmer payrolls known as the NFP, and etc. etc. There are a lot of news that can be released at any given time because of the fluctuation in various economics of the world. Good. So now, how does this work? As I said earlier, most traders they spend time analyzing the market based on any news that is released. Why? Because there's these huge spikes that either come up while the news is being released. Like for instance, when the Brexit was the rave of the town, people used it to leverage on the Great Britain pounds in the forex market. People traded the Great Britain pounds efficiently. Why? Because of the issue of the Brexit, and that the market was doing very well during that period. Good. So the website to check most of all this news release, I'll recommend Forex Factory. I'll also recommend Baby Pips, Daily FX, and FX Streets for you to go check out these sites if you are interested in trading the fundamental analysis. Let's move forward. The other analysis we have is the technical analysis. This is a kind of analysis that is based off of technical indicators, support and resistance, candlestick patterns, Fibonacci ratio, the RSI, and the stochastic, and more. The Andrew Pitchfork, blah, 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 blah. There are a lot of technical tools to use for the technical analysis. Good. So I'll be giving you an example with some images I have captured from the net. So let's go get them. Like this is an example of how a technical analysis chart will look like. You can see here the trend line going up, a trend line channel going up. This is another example of how a technical analysis chart will look like. You can see the moving averages. It could be the 5, 10, and 5 again, or 5, 10, and 20. You see moving. On that image again is this one. You can see the moving average over. Good. And also the MACD indicator within this region, within this down region here. And you can see also the volume indicator spiking up here. So that's all for the technical analysis. So let's get back to the class. Moving forward is the sentimental analysis. The sentimental analysis. This analysis quantifies the gauge of the market sentiment, or what are the sentiments of traders around the world. And what is used to do this is known as the commitment of traders report. That's the commitments of traders to a particular currency that they want to trade in the forex market. Good. I'll explain how do they use it. Let's get an image I got from the net. This is the image I got from the net. This is how a sentiment analyst would trade. Good. As you can see here, you see the blue line, the blue box is quite slightly larger than the red box. And at this region it says 52%, and at this region it says 48%. Good. So, and here it says bullish, means this market is long. So with the commitment of traders around the world, and you want to trade the AUD JPY, which is this region here, please pay attention to the screen. This you want to trade the AUD JPY market, you are expected to go bullish in the market, expected to sell. You're expected to buy, expected to go long in the market. Good. So this is how you use the sentiment analysis, because with the commitment of traders report around the world, it's what is used to create this sentiment, let's say box or stuff. I don't use it to trade, so I don't really pay attention to it. Good, but this is how you use sentimental analysis, because yes, already like specified, some people prefer it because it's easy already. The work has been done, so you just say buy bullish, buy bearish, blah 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 and blah. But me, I don't use it. I can't advise you to use it. So let's get back to the class. So that's all for the sentimental analysis. So now moving forward, we've come to the end of today's class. The summary for today's lesson is fundamental analysis is based off of microeconomic news. Microeconomic news. So this is how most traders trade. They trade the fundamental analysis. They are waiting for a news release before they trade the financial forex market. Moving on is the technical analysis. These rely on technical tools in order to analyze the market. These people are willing to do more of the work. You want to say to be able to get precise and sniper entry points into the forex market to be able to maximize their profit potentials. And the last but not the least is the sentiment analysis. These guys, they are just waiting for the work to be done. Pardon me, they're waiting for the work to be done and just snap into a trade. So, and how did they get the analysis for the sentiment is known as the commitment of traders. So with all that said and done, we've come to the end of today's training video. Make sure you see me in the next video. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye, friends.